turn off the breaker, that is even better. Turning it off from the breaker. If you don't know what the breaker is outside here, the box. A long time I do this.
Let me tell you.
When I grew up,
This can't.
I do this.
AC cannot turn off summertime. You know when AC turn off? Winter, not summer.
The wall on the lights may have changed this, but in a newer houses, so it never have so much complication. We just pull it out and put it in.
And look at you, such a good mom. We never knew you did this yet till we move right here.
Okay, come never work on the art like children slavery. We do everything on.
Okay, so stop work us now. We don't need to be worked.
I know you need to work out. How about this girl? I know the need for work out. I know the need to work out. But do not forget work out under our children. I believe in our children's slavery. I studied at college.
But see now, if you would have showed us that you did this and all this type of stuff, you know we would know how to do it. Now, 30 years old and we don't know how to do it. Yeah.
Yeah. So all I don't know what things say. The mother them just get up and wash kids' face and brush teeth and iron clothes every morning, what the mother's supposed to do. That.
They doing the mom and the dad job.
I'll not say we do more than that. We have to take care of that. We have to be the landscaper.
The provider. Financial provider.
Yeah, we have to be the painter, we have to be the nurse. You know how much nurse may become when me not like medicine? Sure. Single mother, no joke. Gonna try. Now run for kids before time, yeah? Wait. Give them time out for about 5 years so you know if they make it. Time out. America have more divorce than marriage, so that tell you a sign. And you don't have to have a kid to be a woman. Don't have to have a kid to be a man either. There's no single father out there too. Them have enough what this woman. That's the reason. But yeah, aside that, so you change filter. We got to all the single mothers out there. But when you can do it to yourself instead of have a narcissistic, ego person, a piece of shit pooper. When you can do it to yourself. When you don't have to keep the worthless man them at home. When you can do it to yourself. I'm about to sweep up now and clean up. That's how it goes. And wipe down this snow. More work making myself. I've never clear the area. You must clear the area. Get your bag first. Alright.
Guys, it's not an easy road. It's definitely not an easy road. Please subscribe, like, share, comment.